That no AC life right here in Florida. It's fucking raining. We got no AC. It's hot. It's all good though. We just laugh at it.
Welcome to Doc. We're trying our lunch. We're going to take today.
Right.
Hey, how you doing?
Good, what can I see you?
I'm doing well. We're gonna do, what was it?
Lemon pepper wings with Sprite.
Can I do the lemon pepper wings and things? You want it all flats? Oh, it don't
Get
matter.
a lemon pepper wing steak.
But can I get like extra wings?
What do you mean?
Like more wings than
Is it possible to put like extra wings?
No, but you can order extra wings by themselves for 5, 10, or 20.
Like how many extra you want?
We sell them 5, 10, and 20.
Let me do the extra 5. That's fine. Lemon pepper, right? That's it.
lemon Sprite.
You did a traditional lemon pepper wing. Thanks, Neil. And what was the drink again?
Sprite.
Right. And what sauce did you want? You said lemon pepper.
Yeah.
Okay. Right. It would be medium or large for you.
Medium's fine.
Okay. Anything else for you?
Light on the rocks, please.
And you said you want to have extra 5 fingers, correct? Just to be sure. Wait, sorry.
Yeah, you got it. The
Lemon
wings.
pepper, right?
Yeah, and light ice, please.
Light ice. Okay. Anything else for you?
That'd be it.
Okay. 22 feet. Just a second, please.
Got it.
They don't be knowing light on the rocks.
You don't think they be knowing light on the rocks, bro? Dave, I don't got my wallet. Oh wait, yeah, I do. Oh wait, no, I don't. I'm gonna have to use Apple. Get out of here. It is pouring and it's hot. So you're gonna eat like 15 wings right now. Well, you can save it for later.
Yeah, like not right now. But like I'm gonna eat some in the house.
Alright.
Like that looks like a small and a large combined.
Yeah, this is like a whole large. This ain't no medium. But we're gonna take it. Damn, it's really pouring right now. We driving with the windows down. If there's no...
And no case.
And I got no case on the phone. Yo, it's pouring. So you don't know, we're gonna call him Uncle Nervin. You don't know Uncle Nervin yet, but he's like a brother to me, right? But it's somebody that I trust, somebody I got love for, somebody I, look out for if anything happens. So I told him, a little bit of the situation that we got going on. And what he ended up doing, it's funny how you say you was hungry and you wanted some Zaxby's, even though it took you like 20 minutes to ask me.
Because I was looking for like where's the nearest Zaxby's, so if like you needed to go to work and you couldn't take it.
Well, I appreciate you considering that. So what he did was he sent us some money so that you can eat. He said dinner's on him. So I wanted to let you know that. I know you don't know him yet, but you will meet him, and that's my dog.
When?
Maybe when we're in Tampa, when we go out there, we'll probably get together so you can meet him. But by now you probably have an understanding of like people that are like there for us, or people that are not here for us. Hopefully that like it helps you understand like when people want to be there for you, they just do. They don't ask you questions or anything. Like they show you that they're there for you, instead of saying like, I'm here for you. You know what I mean? So that's a perfect example. Somebody that's there for you, they're gonna hear your situation out, and if they can, it's not that they have to, but if they can, they'll send you some money for food, or like they'll make sure you're good, whatever the situation is. It just so happened that in this example, he was able to send me some money to get you some food. So yeah, I wanted to let you know. Love, Nerve. It's my guy.
Bathroom, closet, bed, and a fridge, microwave, AC. That's it.
That's just literally my online shopping life hack.
You can't make this shit up, man. We got free silverware from Pollo Campero. We went to Walmart and bought a plate. No, we bought 2 plates. We couldn't afford the silverware. So we went to Pollo Campero and got 2 fucking things of forks and knives. Oh my god. Oh, we gonna be alright, man. And the funniest part is us sending your ass to get them. Oh man, we gonna be alright, man.